Hello, good morning. This is Subir Ranjan. Welcome to my channel. A few leaks came out to me revealing the specs of Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 and Note 9 Pro, and that too a 5G version. These leaked specifications you will never find as of now in any of the YouTube channel. And ladies and gentlemen, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start. So how you like this video? This is the latest leaked information of Redmi Note 9 5G and Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G version. And ladies and gentlemen, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe my channel. Don't forget and press the bell icon such that whatever the latest leaked information I am revealing through my YouTube channel will get updated to you at the earliest. Catch you again with another episode of Inside Stories. Till then, stay safe, stay tuned. This is Subir. Sign off.